I'm a poet and an author coach, so I am blessed to be around writing and trying to work on good writing all the time. And I think the reason the thing that I'm here to talk about, the thing that I love doing the most is writing poetry. I do a lot of typewriter poetry.
Cool.
Yeah.
So what typewriter? Why typewriter?
Typewriter, two reasons. One, because it's just got that draw. I love, the vintage feel. I love just what it represents. Everything from Hemingway to Kerouac on the typewriter, all the way just to the fact that it's not a computer, so it stands out.
That's right.
So I really like that part. And also this one in particular has sentimental value. It was my grandfather's. He bought it in the early 40s, and he sold sort of a precursor to the Xerox machine, and he would drive around the country, use this to send back his sales reports. And he was a big storyteller. So when he died, his wife, my grandmother, passed this on to me and basically said, carry the storyteller torch. So
That is fucking cool.
yeah, so that's the other part. So I love the typewriter as cultural object, but this particular typewriter has a lot of good family energy.